Hi everyone, welcome to another property showcase from PropertyCozy.com. I am Tavia and I will be your property guide for today. Please remember to like, share, subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified when a new property is available. Let's get into it.
Sitting on almost a quarter acre or 12,000 square feet of land, this property features a welcoming move-in ready 3-bedroom family home as well as a 4-bedroom fixer-upper with lots of potential. The backyard is lush, fruitful and spacious, making it a perfect escape from life's busy days. Don't miss out on finding your dream home in the serene community of Sunnyside, Linstead. Some other features includes ceramic and terrazzo flooring, garden area, grilled, main level entry, fully fenced, guest house, easy access to amenities, family oriented, private setting, view of a river, quiet area, view of river, level lot, and pets are allowed in this location. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 16 million or US $104,000. To purchase or make an offer, please visit the description area below. Now, let's take a quick look at this house. And please remember, leave a comment and let us know your thoughts.